Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vever F910 6-in-1 heat press machine. Today we are going to set up and assemble the hat press. Now, we've also done another video series on a hat press machine by Vever, so you can check that out in a card up here. That is specifically a hat press only. You can see that this is a machine that does not only hats, but also plates, t-shirts, etc. Also cups and mugs. You can check out our video series playlist right here in this card to see how to use each of these other products. In addition, there will also be an unboxing video in that playlist and a review video of the product itself. So let's get started. We are going to press a hat theoretically. I'm not going to actually do it, but I'm going to show you how to install the equipment and then press the hat. So to get started, you're going to need this part. First, we are going to assemble the bottom. That would be this piece right here. That is going to go just like this. How do you put that in? Well, it's really very simple. These screws go just like that. And so if you have any questions on which screws to use, there are short and there are long screws. Take a look at the instruction manual, which is very, very good. It tells you exactly what all of these parts do and the assembly process. We're going to go to the hat or cap part, and it says to use on the bottom here the M516 thumb screw. Which one is that? Well, you go back and you can find out which one it is. M516 are the longer screws. So there you go, very, very simple. That'll go here. You need 2 screws. All right, the bottom is on. Next is to put the top. So this part is easy. The first thing you want to do is assemble the handle. There is a half moon cutout on the handle. These bolts are half moon bolts, so you can line them up. Put one washer on the outside. Screw that on. Due to the half moon, it can be a little difficult to line it up properly, but really this is just to hold the handle on. So if you're not 100% perfect, as long as it's holding, that's really all that counts. All right, we're going to lift that up out of the way. Now we need to put the top on. This is very, very simple. You can see here there are 2 screws. There are 2 holes. Now, depending on your dexterity, you may want to do this part before you put the handle on, because you're going to have to put 2 wing nuts on top of this. All right, the next thing is to plug this in. There is a little groove on one side here. There's also a little groove on the inside of this port. So you need to line up those grooves, put that in, and screw this on like you would a coax cable. Then this goes here. And there we go. The hat press is now assembled. So you can check this out. There's a little bit of a gap there, just enough for you to get the hat on and your graphic on. Then you would hold the hat down, slide this over, and then when the time comes, press this down, and away you go. There's your hat. Now the timer's counting down. How do you use this timer? Well, let's plug it in and I will show you how. So we'll just do a quick run through. We'll pretend that there is a hat and a graphic in there. Turn on the machine. You can see right now it's at 81 and 30. 81 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 seconds. To adjust this, squeeze, turn in the clockwise direction. Now we can turn the temperature to 210 degrees. Whatever you want, depends on the type of material and your graphic. This manual has some suggestions for temperatures on different printing processes. For a cap it says 240. So let's just make it 200. squeeze and then turn in the direction you want to go. So 200, wait, we'll let it set, and then we'll do seconds. And the seconds, we're going to squeeze and turn the other direction, and then 40 seconds. And there we go. Very, very simple. Now, you'll have to wait. The temperature is now at 200 degrees. Let's say we have a hat in there. Push this down. Timer starts counting down. As soon as that is done, the machine is going to beep at you. Then you will release the handle, turn this over, and take out your hat or cap. It will be fully printed and ready to go. Then you're ready to repeat. You can print as many hats or caps as you like. I really hope you like this video. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified to future videos. In addition, comment below with any questions. You can always reach out to Vever support. They have great support. Or comment below and I can see if I can help you out. I hope that you check out the other videos on this channel relating to this product as well. So here we go. We'd release this, slide this out of the way. Bam, our hat is now complete. So again, check out the other videos. I'm going to show you how to assemble the t-shirt press, how to use the dish part, the hat press we just did, also the mug presses and cup presses there as well. So feel free to check them out and comment with any questions. Thank you.